Hello, friends. Today we will witness the most breathtaking and shocking moments in traffic accidents. From reckless drivers causing tragic accidents to unexpected situations caused by cars losing control or disregarding traffic signs. Together we will analyze each situation to learn valuable lessons for ourselves. Buckle up and let's get started. A truck is coming at high speed, but in front is a car. No time to brake. The car was pushed away, purchased straight into the under the truck front. The car is crushed. A tragic accident. An expensive lesson about keeping a safe distance and controlling speed when driving. A car is approaching at high speed, but there are many cars stopping ahead. A horrifying continuous crash. The cars in front were pushed and severely dented. A heavy object fell straight on top of the car behind. The front of the car was crushed. The glass was broken. This is an expensive lesson about ensuring safety when transporting goods. Terrible and unfortunate accident. This is a serious warning for those who like to show off on the road. The barrier collided strongly, burst open, and fell straight onto a car parked on the side of the road. The consequences are too severe just because of the driver's carelessness. A motorbike crossed the road without even looking. The truck behind had to steer quickly to avoid it. The truck behind couldn't react in time and crashed hard into the rear of the vehicle in front. The impact was so powerful that both trucks overturned in the middle of the road. A terrible preventable accident due to one person's carelessness. The truck driver backed up without looking behind him. A car was moving slowly, but had no time to react. As a result, the car was crushed, a scary collision due to lack of attention. A car suddenly drove in the opposite direction at high speed, repeatedly hitting motorcyclists and cyclists on the road. The scene was chaotic as many vehicles fell over. A motorbike traveling at high speed suddenly crashed directly into a car going in the opposite direction. The impact was so strong that it caused the motorbike to explode and a fire to flare up fiercely. Thank you for watching the video until the end. The situations in the video have helped us learn valuable lessons about traffic safety. If you feel the video is helpful, click like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notification bell so you don't miss the next useful videos. See you in upcoming videos.